Alpha, Abia now. I read the phone. When I hear me, so I want show now something. For inside Abba, I see the phone. So when I see her, when I see her, maybe. Now Abba inside here this show. When I see Abba, it was in a Lagos State. Rain fall like this. Water go down full everywhere. You gonna smell. When I see her road clean. Now Abba be this show. When I see her road clean. There's trash everywhere. When I see her, it was in a Lagos on Enugu State. Like what you do? It was in Enugu State now. Half of my man. Enugu State now. Small rain go fall. Water go scatter the road everywhere. When I see her motor park fine. When I see her, when I see the settings of the motor park, when I see her maybe, now I be this show. When I see her everywhere clean, sharp, no wahala. What time I go to say Lagos? Yeah, sharp. I'm on a sharp place, yo. When I see the road, I see clean. The road fine there. When I see her, it's a Lagos State everywhere, don't scatter. Only Jabo doing anywhere.
Seriously, I don't really blame Jamiu for reacting this way because now we where they east when they truly hype ourselves. Ndigbo, we all don't know what we have in Alaigbo. Alaigbo is gold, solid gold. Was it not last year? Yes, I vlogged it. The Nigerian Bar Association had their conference in Enugu, and thousands of lawyers all over Nigeria stormed Enugu for the contest. Color me surprised when everyone was gushing about Enugu. Enugu is sweet. Enugu is clean. Enugu is fresh. But we, the Igbos, they truly hype ourselves. We don't hype the quality of cities we have. Alaigbo amaka. Akabatrogashi. About chapelao. About see, jettison whatever image you brought in mind of Abba is now all in the past. Alex Otti. Trust me, Governor Alex Otti worked miracles in Abba. Not only in Abba, but all over Abia. Same success stories. Go to other towns and villages in Abia. The man is working wonders. Alex Otti, the man will listen, what our people need are good road, good electricity, and public infrastructure. Then we all know what an average Igbo man can do now. We are developers, so be by mouth, and we test out, not be church. See, we test them big time. I am very grateful to our parents and our great-grandparents who started this Akurolo projects. Alaigbo do name. Alaigbo na toka sugar. Oto elege manango. Hell, chim. Ina Alaigbo na ato. See, Jamiu, enjoy yourself. I don't say my Igbo brothers, my Abba brothers, who use enjoyment finish you big time. Nam, enjoy. Na Abba you come. Enjoy. Fresh food. Enjoyment. Jamiu, don't forget, enter our market and show them around. We full ground for Southeast. Our region is developed and brimming with population. In our enter all the markets. Not be one, not be two, not be three, not be four. Market choking teeth, it choke. Aba, Abangwa of the Most High. Aba manja aba, una own no go lost. Ndinkem. Lanya, I wundi me aba. And there is nothing mega. Iga land, I guide. Kiguilo. Register your children in our Igbo Academy and see great improvement. If you also want to learn content, DM me. And we have power banks for sale. If you want it, also DM me. 20K, 30K, and 50K mAh. I'm just a DM.